Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so.
Hi everyone. Well, I'm at my daughter Dawn's house, and let me tell you a little story. Dawn loves Bath and Body, right, Dawn?
Bath and Body Works.
Oh, I'm sorry, Bath and Body Works, and she's filming me right now. I'm at her house in her family room, and here's the story, how it was told to me. Dawn ordered some things online from Bath and Body, and when she ordered them, I guess she had the opportunity to take a survey. So she took the survey, and I guess there was a lot of questions about Christmas, right, Dawn?
Yes.
And she had to submit a photo, and it was for some type of a contest. And I think they were going to pick 3 winners. Is that correct?
3 winners to win an in-home customer session.
Ooh. And she was a little skeptical at first because, you never know who you're letting in your home. And, some of these things are scams and all. So anyway, she said to me, Mom, do you want to come over and just hang out with me? And I said, sure, I'll come over. So I came over today. But let me just backtrack. So what happened was she got a call saying she was a semi-finalist, right, Dawn?
Yes.
And so she answered some questions, and they said they had more people to interview, but they would get back to her. So they got back to her and told her she was one of the 3 winners.
Woo.
And she told me she was going to get a $200 American Express gift card, a $100 Bath and Body Works gift card, and they were going to come out to her house and interview her and what she liked about Christmas and all those fun things. So I arrived about a half hour before them, and then these 2 women came out. One works for Bath and Body Works, and the other one I think maybe works for a marketing or an advertising agency.
It's like a research company.
Yeah, it was like a research company. Well, anyway, the story is I stayed out of the way. I stayed downstairs in the family room. They were all up there in the living room for probably over an hour, right, Dawn?
It was even longer than that.
Yeah, longer than that. And they were just talking to Dawn about Christmas. And then they looked in her kitchen, in her dining room, in her family room, and all her decorations and all. And I could hear little bits and pieces of it downstairs. She did a great job.
Thanks.
She takes after her mother. The only difference is, and she's a teacher, but she doesn't like to be on camera, right, Dawn?
No.
She has been, but she prefers not to. But she likes to talk like me. So anyway, so this doesn't end up too long. I'll tell you my big surprise. So when the ladies were all done, I said, oh, okay, I'm going to just walk upstairs and say hello. And on my pocketbook, I have a little thing that hangs down. I should have had it, but it doesn't matter. And it holds a little tube of Bath and Body Works hand cream. And I leave it on my purse all the time. Now, they sell the ones that hold the hand sanitizer. There's like a million different cute ones. But years and years ago, they sold the ones that hold the hand lotion, and they don't anymore. So anyway, I went upstairs and I said, oh, I have a suggestion for you. And Dawn introduced me. And then they said, oh, well, we'll bring that back with us. The lady from Bath and Body said, oh, I'll tell them. I said, why don't they sell these anymore? I want a nice one for my bag, not this ugly little black one. So she said, oh, okay, I'll let them know. And then Santa came early for the diva. She whipped out of her, I don't know, her pocket, and she gave the diva a $50 Bath and Body Works gift card. I was shocked, right, Dawn?
Yeah, I was shocked. I did all the work.
Dawn goes, I won the contest. I did all the work. You did nothing. And you had a $50 gift card. So anyway, I gave her a big hug. I was so shocked. And I don't know if they give them out all the time or not, but I was absolutely thrilled. And I said to Dawn, oh, don't be jealous. You got a $100 one, and you got that other $200 one. So, anyway, the Diva, Santa came early for the Diva. Santa came early for the Diva's daughter, Dawn. Well, that's a mouthful. And then Dawn took me out to lunch.
Yes.
I'll put a little clip of that in where we went. And we had a nice day, right, Dawn?
We did.
All right, so I'm going home now to bake more cookies. See you later.
Bye.
Toodles. Hi, everyone. Well, Dawn took me out to lunch today, and we're at the Little Food Cafe in her town. And she treated me. Right, Dawn?
Because I'm so nice.
And look at these beautiful decorations in here. Look how cute everything looks.
Very pretty.
Isn't it nice? We love to come here and eat, don't we?
Yes.
Yeah, so stay tuned. I have more to show you. Don't go away.
Bye. Hi, Dawn.